again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I have got February's gel box, and of course it's all lovey-dovey, love arts, XOXO. Oh, it's got my address on the other side so I can't show you. This is cute, so we're going to get it open and see what's in February's gel box. So this is a mystery gel box, guys. You can get it on a monthly subscription, or you can get them as one-offs. And sometimes some of the gels you can purchase separately. Yeah, you get gel polishes in them every month, and you get a couple of little extras, accessories, shall we say. Oh, so let's see what we got. Oh, so this is what the box looks like. The boxes are always so unique and different. So it's got all the love hearts with the different writing. Let's gel together, spa day, breakfast in bed, Valentine's manicure, date night. Oh, this is cute. So this is what we see when we open it. Oh, we've got rose petals. Look at this. This is cute. I love this. Every month is just a completely different theme. So let's have a look at the vinyl sticker this month. Oh, look at this. So every month you get a vinyl sticker tutorial, and this will give you a clue as to what colours are in the box, because they provide everything you need to complete this manicure. So we've got kissy kissy lip lips, hearts, flames, either a glitter gel or a glitter, don't know, but I like it. And then we've got a little cupid. Oh, I've got a right collection of these vinyl stickers now from Gelbox. I've got rather a lot. So what else? Happy Galentine's. And there's a little practice sheet so you can write down what you need and have a little practice maybe. Cute. Oh, we've got some love art rhinestones. Look. Cute. And they're proper red, aren't they? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 10 love art rhinestones. Cute. We have got a cuticle oil. Let's have a smell. Oh, it smells like strawberries. Yeah, it smells like strawberries. Oh, we've got a dotted. Oh, look at this one. I've never seen one like that. So we've got a dotting tool. It's got a small dot on that end, and like one that's more or less a pinpoint on that end. It's got like bits of copper, like copper leaf or copper paper in it. That's a cute one. I use dotting tools all the time. We've got a lollipop. That's so cute. Love art lollipop. Right, shall we get to the star of the show, the gels? So let's get these gels out and see what we got. Right, so Gelbox gels always come in these huge 20ml bottles, guys. Have you ever seen bottles of gels in 20ml? Because I haven't. Right, let me just move some of this off to the side. Oh, we've got a gorgeous pink, and this one is called My Girl. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, I'm going to swatch these in a second anyway. These gels are fantastic. They are an absolute dream to use. They're quite a thin consistency, but their creams are always so opaque, and they just apply beautifully. If anyone's had the pleasure of using them, you'll know what I mean. They are fantastic gels, fantastic for nail art as well. Right, we've got a luscious red, Unbreak My Heart. Unbreak My Heart. These are like songs, aren't they? Oh wow, this looks like a very nice red. Reds can be so unpredictable, can't they? They always tend to be a bit sheer. Oh wow, this looks holographic. Careless Whisper. This looks nasty. Oh, so this is like a pinky, lilac-y, holographic. Can you see that? Wow. Can't wait to swatch that. And this last one is called To Become One. And it looks like it might be a builder to me, actually. Oh, I think this is actually... I've not got a list. You normally get a list of contents. I think this is a builder in a bottle. It's definitely not a gel polish. It looks like a milky pink. It looks very pretty. But yeah, a lot of the time you do get a builder gel, and I am thinking that that is a builder gel. I am going to have to double check, but yeah, I think that's one of their builders. It's a very, very pretty milky pink. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm going to swatch that like I would do with a builder, because I'm pretty positive that's a builder. So shall we give these a swatch? I'm just going to swatch them in the same order that I showed you. Oh wow. So we'll start with my girl. Right, let's have a swatch of this. Yeah, these gels, guys, are a dream to use. Look at this. They apply beautifully. They're so opaque and creamy, but they're a really thin consistency. Like, they're a really runny gel. I really like them. And to do nail art with, they're fantastic. Look at that colour. Wow. So these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, luscious red, unbreak my heart. Yeah, red gel polish can be so unpredictable and sheer. Oh wow, look at this. This is not sheer at all. It's beautiful. It's almost got like a cherry colour to it. Yeah, it's almost got like a cherry red colour to it, with a little fleck of dust. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's like a... Yeah, it's almost got a cherry look to it. You ain't going to see it on camera. Like a deep, deep cherry red. That is a beautiful red. Beautiful. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Careless Whisper. It's got an ultra fine holographic shimmer through it. I wonder if this is magnetic. Looks like it might be magnetic. I'll try it. I doubt it. If it was magnetic, I would imagine they would have put a magnet in, but you never know. I haven't got my contents list. Let's grab a magnet. No, it's not magnetic. It's just a stunning holographic, shimmery, pinky, purpley. That is stunning, isn't it? Look at that. It's not showing the hollow very well on camera, but I can assure you it's really, really hollow. Oh, that's such a shame my camera's not showing it. But it's super holographic. Beautiful. Right, let's do this builder. Yeah, this is defo a builder in a bottle, I can tell. Right, so like I do with all my builder gels, I'm just going to swatch it on the inside, just because it's easier to build that colour up. Yeah, my room's very hot, so it is a bit runny. But I'm pretty 99% sure this is a sheer builder. I like this. I think I've got 4 or 5 of their builders, and they're all quite opaque. This is the first time I've had a milky one. I will give that a second coat as well. That's going to be very pretty. That'll be nice for doing milk bath type designs. Right guys, that is them all swatched. They are very pretty colours. Perfect for Valentine's, aren't they? But yeah, this one is definitely a builder in a bottle. It's a nice kind of milky sheer kind of pink. I really like it. I love this pink. And this red is like a deep cherry red. Very pretty. So it looks like the builder may be this base colour, and then we've got the light pink. They've done a couple of French, and then this hollow is going to be the love heart, and the red is going to be the lippy lips. So we might stick to that this month. Sometimes I do put my own spin on it, but yeah, I think I might stick to the brief this month and actually do the tutorial. I think I might just do that. But anyway guys, that is it for today. So we got a lollipop, a dotting tool, a cuticle oil, and we got some, oh, the rhinestones. That may be what's on the pinky, mightn't it? Yeah, and we got some rose petals. I will double check that's a builder, but I'm 99.99999% it's a builder. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.